Right, so we're in Kuranda and we've got these little things called chimney cakes with cinnamon. And he said you just gotta, oh, you do just have to roll it out. Woo. So we got on the Kuranda Skyrail and they did tell us that it was going to stop because the ute had to move, and we've just slowed down right on top of the river. Bit uneasy. Honestly, we're going pretty slow and steady at the moment. And I think it like it less than when it's going normal speed.
That's a weird texture.
Right, we've made it back to the Sky Rail down, the ATV tour with Kuranda Rainforest Journeys. Amazing, until I was taking a photo and they decided to sneak the cassowary up behind me. Not cool, but awesome little tour that I would highly recommend. So now we're just gonna head back down the